Alright, here we go. We're doing another pack opening. 8 packs, 60K Pro style. Oh, that's not the right button. Here we go, store. Open sesame. Bing, bang, bang. Oh, there's my gold. Might as well just let them roll. One, that wasn't too good. Here's number 2 of 8. Where's that gold at? Come on. Ah. Here we go. 3. Open. That's always good. You see that update team? Money, money, money. Come on. I'll take that out of a pro pack. That should do well. Number 4. Halfway home. See if we can see some red. Find me red. Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Oh well. Here we go. It's a 6. Number 6. Oh, I went through that way too fast, but it wasn't good. 7. And number 8. Ah, 90 kick returner. That ain't bad, but that ain't great. So that's that. Let's go look at that guy real quick. '90 and 90 position, kick return, search. Like 40, 38, 40 grand ain't bad though. You guys think? I mean, there's a 35 right there, Slater. Damn it. You can still though. I mean, 35 grand. That makes back almost over half my money. And that'll sell. There's a 30 right there though. Even 30. That makes back. I'll make back half my money just with that one card. One card, make half it back. Be good to go. Buy some more packs. So, let me know what you guys think. Am I getting lucky? Unlucky? Is it worth it? Let me know what you guys are getting.